The back and forth has got me so messed up.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. Yes, I've just decided to pick my camera and start vlogging. Yes, I'm from shower. I have my towel on and I have a class in like 7 minutes. Right now I just want to do my makeup like quickly, not even really makeup, but just something on my face so that at least I look presentable in that class, and then we can go to that class together. Cool. This class is almost starting and I feel like I don't have much time to do all these things. It starts at 9 on the dot and it's on Zoom. Yes, I've been doing I started doing online MBA and we have several Zoom calls during the week. Like now the one for today is going to last for 2 hours. So 2 hours of Zoom call. I don't have a lot of assignment, good people, like a lot of assignment. I kind of forgot about all this school thing, but somehow I just have to go back to it. So this face, truth is, I don't think there's anything I can do now because of time.
Find a way out.
Hey. So you know what, good people, the class is on, like it should be on now because it's a few minutes past 9 and I don't want to miss anything. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm going to let me put you right here. Yes, there. I'm going to log in. My phone is here and I usually use this one, my phone and this tripod, to log in. So I'm gonna log in using my phone quickly, and then I can put them on mute just to listen and hear what's going on before I dress up and come this side. But you're the only one who knows that I haven't dressed up. Cool. Weekly. So good people, we can finish this.
Find a way out.
What's like now, you see, sometimes you when you call these people, they make you feel like it is wrong to ask for your money. Delivered tick, like on time, yes, but there are people who just don't, I don't know. Great people, the class is like now picking up so well, so you will watch me from afar. So good people, class is over, it feels good. Now I can have a break, but maybe we can quickly go through my to-do list, which is here. We're supposed to shoot a video for workout, which I did in the morning. When I was working out, I was able to shoot. And then I had a 2 hours class, which is a tick as well, from 9 to 11. It's 11:09 and the class has just ended. So tick on that. I'm supposed to design something and share with my client and also call my supplier. And then the last thing I'm supposed to do is the ads collection photo shoot, which usually happen in this room. So I think I'll take you along in all that. But for now, I'm gonna take a break. So I'm gonna have a quick break, 1 minute. I'm going to get something to snack. Let me carry my phone with me. And also let me show you my dress for the day. I think you've seen it, but you didn't see it well. So I'm going to do that right here. And I didn't remove this in my hair. I'm going to stay with it like that. So the entire day I'll be like that. So yeah, so this is my dress. This is what I'm wearing today. And the good thing about working from home is that you can get away with so many things. Like now, this dress is so tiny. I don't think I would go to an office like this. Yep, that's my dress for today. By the way, guys, you see this plant here? At least it survived. The rest are just dying. This one here survived. This one also survived. It's doing well. And then there's this one also that is really trying. This one right here is also trying. But now I have some that are dying. It died completely. That used to be the one that was always behind my videos when I was shooting videos. For when I was doing my live, that one used to be there. Then there's this one that is almost dead. Like they're dying. So their colors, they're a bit yellow. Then there's this one that is also dying. I don't know if you can see, but it's dying. This is the thing, like I didn't tell you how much assignments we've been given, but it's a lot. It's a lot of research that we're supposed to do, and I'm like, oh God, what time will this woman do it? But today is a Thursday, tomorrow is a Friday. We don't have a class on Friday, and the good thing is Saturday is a holy day, so I'm going to at least do it tomorrow on a Friday. Yes, I don't think I'll do that today. Maybe you can just catch up a little bit, but I traveled. We missed our train. Can you imagine? We missed our train and we had to figure out how to get to Diane. It was Jackie's birthday, and I think most of the videos you've been seeing. So I went for a break. At least I got a break, because before that I was really feeling low. And even think on that video for that trip, I mentioned how I was feeling low. And I went for the holiday. It was really nice, really nice, and I was able to relax. I ate a lot. I ate a lot, and I've not been working out, so that's something that I just resumed recently, because I was just eating. I don't know, sometimes I don't even know me. Like, I try to do things, like I try to push myself, but sometimes I just don't know me. And since the quarantine started, I think for my content creation bit, in terms of business wise, it went down because there were no events. There's nothing much to cover. Those are some of the reasons that contributed to me feeling low. And of course I started the ads collection. And one thing I've learned is that sometimes as a business, like, doing business is really hard, good people. Doing business is hard, and I will tell you for free, it's super hard. Like, you come up with an idea, you go, you invest in this idea that you're thinking of, you put it out there to the people. Like, the results that you're thinking you're going to get is not what you're getting. So it's just, doing business is hard, and I respect everyone who's doing business. I will also try and share with you my experience in terms of business and how it's been for me since this quarantine, and how, you know, this is my second year of running the Urge, and it's something that I took a leap of faith and decided to follow, and I'm still trying to, you know, I'm learning in the process. Like, things are not easy, but I'm learning as we go, and it's something that I decided to do, so I have to just, you know, toughen up and continue doing it. Enough said, let's get into another bit that I started doing, which is planning for my months and reviewing my months every first week of the new month. Does that make sense? So other than having a vision board and having your goals written somewhere in the beginning of the year, it's advisable to have monthly goals, which is something I started in August, and I feel like it's been helping me also just to keep tabs. And when I'm feeling like I'm not getting things done, I have to just keep on rechecking and just reminding myself that I need to do this. Some question that you need to ask yourself when you're going through your monthly review is, you ask yourself things like, what were you planning to do the last month? Like now in this case, we're in October. What was I planning to do in September? And what did I enjoy the most during that month? And then what was the best habit I created and my worst habit during that month? Something else is, how did you give back to yourself in that month? And what are your goals for the next month? That's the last question, or rather, as you plan now for the next one. Yes. So maybe I can just start by quickly telling you what I was planning to do, because from here I'm seeing I was supposed to start, which I said I was supposed to start entrepreneurial class business, which I did. I was supposed to intentionally work out and watch what I'm eating. I did not do anything on that. And then read a chapter of a book. That was also something else I was supposed to do. So last month I wanted to finish The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari, which I started a long time ago. I've been doing it for ages and ages. But you know what, guys, sometimes you know how things happen. So I read that, I finished, and then I started another book, which is called, where is the book? I started reading Girl Boss, and it's a very good book, by the way. I started reading Girl Boss, which I'm still reading. I was supposed to put more effort in the ads collection, which I've done. Like, I've really tried. That's last month I was always getting new collection. Every week I was always going to buy new ones, and I still have new ones that I'm supposed to do a photo shoot of today. So I think that one was well done. And then I was supposed to go for my trip to South Coast. That was Jackie's birthday. That is how I gave back to myself, by the way. I'm also trying to answer the questions. How I gave back to myself was go for Jackie's birthday. At least I also took a break out of just everything. It was the first vacation that I had this year. Then I was supposed to be reading every morning, something that I've not been doing, but maybe I should. To answer these 5 questions, what were you planning? Those were the things that I was planning. What did I enjoy the most? Of course, I enjoyed my trip to Diani. And what's the best habit you created? The best habit I created was the reading habit. Like, at least try and read a book. Like, just try and read as much as I can. And then something else, my worst habit last month is not working out. Like, I was just eating and not working out. And then how did you give back to yourself? Of course, by going to Diani, going to South Coast. And then now my plans for next month. Next month, which is this month now, this October, I'm supposed to travel again. My birthday is coming very soon, so of course I need to travel. Continue doing my classes online, and I'm supposed to finish the assignments and do it, like, get thorough into it. I'm supposed to research about the ads collection on where we'll be getting our clothes from, like permanently getting our clothes from there. I think I need to put them down, because if I don't, I might just, forget about it. Number 1 thing I said is travel for my birthday. Can you imagine the first thing I'm writing is traveling? Jesus. Travel for my birthday. Read. Finish this book. Let me just say finish what I'm reading. Finish my current book in October, yes. And start a new one. Start a new one by end of October. So before I travel, I should have a new book that I'm reading. Number 3 thing that I'm supposed to do is make sure that I finish my assignments in school, because there's so much I'm learning, guys. Like, I started doing business out of passion, and there's some mistakes that I've made in my business. It's a good thing, because I've been learning so much, and it's just amazing how, sometimes all this information is out there. You just need to look for them. So finish my assignments and apply them on my business, which is also another advantage in this class. You learn something today, tomorrow you're applying it in your business. Do more research and marketing for the ads collection. Thank you, guys. We're almost finishing, and I'm making this with you because it's good to have accountability. And right now, you who's watching this, yes, I'm accountable to you. So do more research and marketing for the ads collection. Keep working out and eat healthy, eat clean. Something else that I've been really delaying on is posting 1 video a week. I've been doing that lately, by the way. I need to post 2 videos or even 3 a week. How am I supposed to grow on YouTube if I'm not putting all that effort? So the last thing is post 2 videos or even more per week. And posting more does not necessarily mean that now I'm just going to post everything and anything. It has to be something that you guys are going to gain from. So yeah, so that's it. That's my plan for October. Yes, which I've planned today, 8th of October. Can you imagine? I'm planning for this month. We are almost getting to the middle of the month and I'm here planning. Better late than never. So guys, that is something that I've been doing, that I started doing in August, which I feel like you guys should also try if you wanna have a successful month. And there are just 5 questions that you need to ask yourself. Maybe I can repeat them for you to just maybe note somewhere. Number 1 is you need to start planning now, like the way I've planned. And then these are the questions that will always guide you. So number one is, what were you planning for September? So you go through that. When you're doing your monthly review, you go through what you're planning to do and tick those ones that you did, and also those ones that you did not achieve, just move them to the next month. But don't have that habit of putting things and not achieving them. Yeah, don't be me. And then the second thing, what did you enjoy the most in that particular month, and what was the best habit and your worst habit, and then how did you give back to yourself in that particular month. Then lastly, what are your goals for the next month? So every time you're reviewing your month, you also take that opportunity to plan for your next month, which I've done here. So guys, I'm going to get deep into the work. Like, I need to design something for my clients. That's the next thing that I'm going to do, and then we can meet later. Cool. I'll leave this one here as it is. I already spoke to the client, sent the first draft. There's some changes. I'm still working on it. So yeah, hopefully I'll be able to finish at least before 3, so that I can start doing the photo shoot at 3 p.m. because right now it's 1. I'm gonna go for lunch, at least 30 minutes break just to recharge. Yep. I'm having coconut fish with vegetable rice, and then this is mango juice. That's all I'm going to have. Yes, and since I didn't have breakfast, at least this is going to help me. Like, guys, I'm so hungry. So I've just remembered, I need to concentrate. Yes, that's one thing. But I was supposed to tell you, when I was having lunch, I decided to browse through Netflix, and I got a new series that I think it was posted either this week, I think, so I'm not sure, but it's called Good Morning Veronica. So that's what I started watching, and I was like, so I was just waiting for 2. Like, I was supposed to come back at 1:30, but I decided to extend it to 2. So anyway, it really started well, so I think it's a nice series and someone can watch it. Though I think it's too soon to recommend to you because I've just started watching it. But the storyline looks interesting. So I'm still trying to just get to understand what it's all about. So guys, I've been on my computer for like forever. I said I was going to only need like an hour, so I sent the first draft, and the client was like, I like it, and then she added me something else. So I'm here still working, and yeah, I'm not complaining, because you know what, this is what I've been looking for. Like, I've been looking for work, and now at least I have something to do, because it's been crazy, good people. It's been really, really crazy, but I'm glad I'm slowly getting there. So the photo shoot, as I thought I was going to do it, let me just get it. As I thought I was going to do the photo shoot, unfortunately, I will just do it tomorrow morning. So on my to-do list, I only have 3 things done. The first one, the second one, and the third one. And the third one, which I'm still doing, I contacted our supplier, the client as well. So yeah, I think that's gonna be it. Yes, so thank you guys for being so amazing, for watching this video up to here. I know today I'm looking a little bit rusty, but it's okay, because there are days at least I get to shine when I'm here. So anyway, I'm gonna end this video here. I think the photography bit, I will proceed with it tomorrow morning, and then edit the videos as well. I might as well post tomorrow evening. I need to finish my assignment too, which I'll do tomorrow. And thank you so much for watching up to here. If you find this video helpful, let me know. If you usually do like a monthly review and monthly planning, also let me know what works for you, and maybe you can just share so that you can just grow together. And thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe, hit on that button, and until next time.